Hi Lola, ako to si ate mong ang apo pero mabait at love na love ka. Thank you La dahil andyan ka palagi sa amin ni Ading sa tuwing kailangan ka namin. Sana maayos ang iyong kalagayan dyan. Thank you Lord for having a Lola like her, still gorgeous and healthy. I pray to her that we can spend many more years together so we can give you the best that we can in this world. Mahal na mahal ka namin lang ni Ading. See you soon po.
Hi Lola, kamusta ka po dyan? Hope you're doing well po. Thank you for all the sacrifices you have made, the love you have given, and the countless ways you have enriched my life. I hope you know how deeply you are loved and appreciated, not just today but every single day. You have made a difference in my life that words can hardly express. Ate and I love you so much.
We love you so much La and see you soon po.